Up guys, let's go play in this canyon. Let's go. Oh no! Why? Let's try it. No. Okay, I'm so lagged little bit. Let's go. Okay. I'm just making video in 2020, guys. No! Guys, if you lag in this game, you will get so lag. Yo, oh my god! Almost died. Let's go. Everyone, like and subscribe. Sorry guys, I'm so angry. Guys, like and subscribe because I'm sick. I'm making video for you guys. I'm a little bit feel good. Hey guys, can you make me so famous over in 1,000 subscribers, guys? You will decide, please. By the way, say your country where you live. What your country say it. Tell me in the comments. If I make this in the end, you will like and subscribe. My fever start in yesterday. Guys, please support me. I'm making video in 2020, guys. Oh my god, please don't. I wish I never fall. Sorry guys if my avatar is ugly. Remembering we don't have Robux. My dad has so many money. He will give me some Robux. Oh my god, I'm almost fall. I wish. Please no. Yes! Finally! Yay! This is my avatar. It look ugly. If you see my there, this is me over there. If you add me, I will add you because I want to be your friend. If you start and if you see this video, you will add me, okay? Tell me in the comments if you want. Little bit I'm not posting some videos, some like in home. Please like and subscribe. I'm just little bit pro in this game. nobody supporting me. What? Somebody just asked me. Guys, if you see me in Grow a Birthday, you will add me because I have so many friends. It's almost 521. I just started in 2024. I became so super religious. I'm just like famous. I hope I like hard. I will see you in other day. I'm a little bit famous teacher. Everybody just supporting. No, that's okay. I'm going back. Guys, if you pro in World Cup, I'm a little bit, guys. Don't waste your Robux in this game. I'm a little bit love Robux, but who's supporting Baden? Tell me in the comments. We're supporting you. This is only 10-minute video, because I'm going to go in 1 hour because I don't have to get famous. If I don't make this in the end, I will stop this video. See you in part 2. Or tomorrow I will post some. Sorry guys, I'm in the Philippines. I don't tell you this. It's okay, I'm in the Philippines, guys. Oh no, I'm not gonna make this the end. I will end this video. But I'm always late. No. Thanks guys for subscribing. Oh, it's only 8 minutes. It's almost to end my video. Wait, I'm gonna stop this. Guys, I'm at the end. Sorry guys, I just paused the video because it's so freaking so long. If you see this video, I'm almost here. Okay, you will add me. Sorry guys if my avatar is looking so bad. It's almost there. Bye guys, see you next time.